Ye free bono mantamu ana enkran mantame ene yedru brono a ede ahyan manen ho ensam no ene se adwadifo ahodo bi a wote kwan ho eton ade no ya pamo wa free ho emprebebre se won free ho na ban eni so ade hunu ye big push agenda no wontumi enfa nhyehyɛ so nanso won eda so ete wo sese wo de asrafo akogu a ye pamo wo nyina na won haw ene se ebra ye tu won ye wo se ye pem patasika edema wo.
The Big Push Project Ejumediya Ghana Mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nediaba Washer so manyi emuye kwantepa hodo no obedini na ho ejumenu nam so menei so de wani twemu ewo ahyanman matayeko sebrepo afie nya na afie so ye Shai Hills akosomu a edwadifo na de hye wonom ehonom esunye pa won semina no ene se biaye a wonom etena ton ade ni pobabi a wonom etie ne ade sasrafo abeyi won mu nyina no ede afiri honom ani nyina no ejina Ghana Mampani His Excellency the Big Push Project Jumedia wo ye nunti wote se ye yi wonom ede afiri honom wogi tumenye ye kresan se wo senkampanifo hwe no compensate wo mo ewo ye obabeyi wonom afiri sanse honom a ena wotena ton wade di wonom dwuma esa ne kwan a wonom ebie munti na msam ya babeyi wo mu nyina no ede afiri wo chese stores ahodo animpo eye adan ahodo ewo honom nyina ya de se wonom adwini nyina no ato agu a asrafo ndodon A800 ena wonom bepie mu honom de wo hyew so bepam wonom nyina ede free ho nesa sunti enam so ma assemblyman ya honom ede ensem sei eto kantanka kwansesem eni
kwani de wo hwe ya anope na demolition e koso pa me de me ntimi ka ho be but minim se abai ebo ne homodin so be ye pan no na timamfo na mo tonton ya ma wo kwani nchen no omo na asode nti omo mpese omo pefi ho ya ka ukoka bi kuso ka se o kwani endu mi ho enti no otibe je oti eye ni anade te na homa chi eti ho na demolition asoja for the bobo be 500 eye demolition ni de jamu na omo adwuma
ne kasa no wachi no e na de hye bia won mo hodom nso e de ensem sei e ka ho
starting with the demolition. Yeah, we have nowhere to go. Yeah, and moreover for us to find something to do. So we are pleading on the government. Honorable Samuel Judge, the President of Ghana, and also the DC for the Gopan Pram, and the Assemblyman for Afia. We are pleading on them to find a place for us, even if a market space, for us to in order to sell our stuff.
So how say na police phone when is soldiers phone omo bare omo katapila ba ye aha ni e hye wo aha na ye pa ya ni aduani kaka ye die wo kwan ho ya ye meeting be ye 10 times e wa fie nya ha say omo ma eja na marketing bra but omo ti ase ye wona soldiers phone ba ye say ye nya ye fi ha 3 days ana anepe o di katapila ba yo bebu ha nyina sisi no ye bebi a ye hye wo eti abane mbuo ye ne be ye bebi a ye be hye wo ye sie nya kaka ye
one thing that worry us too much is that what they told us that they should remove the containers fine and later they said will compensate those who own the containers before they can transport to whatever they go. That is what we know previously. But today as they came, first they removed the containers. Fine. They destroy a lot of things. People, their houses, look at just this place. This is where somebody sleep. At least, if government want to do something, although you do it, but you do it that it will not hurt your own people.